Winter is the perfect time to surprise your loved ones with something warm, comforting, and truly thoughtful. And in this video, we're exploring the best cozy gifts for winter to help you find ideas that feel just right for the season. Our channel shares quality product videos daily, making it easier to discover items that add comfort and joy to everyday life. Number 1. Hot Dot Rechargeable Hand Warmers. The Hot Dot Warmers package LED temperature display with 4 heat levels ranging 104 to 131 Fahrenheit in 63-gram ergonomic design. The 3200 mAh battery provides up to 20 hours runtime on lowest setting, dropping to approximately 4 hours at maximum heat. Clear digital screen shows both Celsius and Fahrenheit alongside remaining battery percentage. Heat generation starts within 1 second of activation. Included lanyard enables wrist or bag attachment, preventing drops. The 2-pack configuration allows simultaneous warming of both hands or sharing between people. Heating performance delivers consistent warmth throughout runtime without temperature fluctuations common in cheaper models. The 4 levels accommodate different cold tolerance, from gentle office warming to outdoor winter activities. Battery life claims prove accurate during testing, with lowest setting actually exceeding 20 hours. Number 2. Fleece Blanket Queen Size. The Bedsure blanket features upgraded premium microfiber in 100% polyester construction, balancing weight with warmth retention. Queen-size dimensions accommodate beds and couches while remaining portable for various uses. Enhanced flannel fleece material provides softer texture than original version through improved fiber processing. Lightweight design enables year-round use without excessive bulk. Daily use reveals superior softness, maintaining comfort through repeated laundering. The blanket weight feels substantial enough for warmth without causing overheating common with heavier alternatives. Material breathability prevents moisture buildup during sleep. Versatility extends beyond bedroom use, covering couches, outdoor seating, or pet bedding areas. Machine washing on gentle cycle preserves texture and color vibrancy. Number 3. Body Restore Shower Steamers. The Body Restore steamers dissolve in shower spray, releasing citrus blend essential oils, creating spa-like aromatherapy experience. 6 individual tablets provide longer dissolution time than standard bath bombs, preventing premature melting. Compact sizing enables easy travel packing for hotel or gym showers. Natural ingredients focus on stress reduction and mental clarity through aromatic compounds. Usage experience transforms routine showers into sensory events. Steamers dissolve gradually when placed away from direct water stream, releasing steady fragrance throughout 10 to 15-minute showers. Citrus scent intensity fills enclosed shower spaces, creating immersive experience. Essential oil vapors provide genuine aromatherapy benefits, including stress relief and mood elevation. The tablets outlast cheaper alternatives by 5 to 10 minutes, enabling complete shower routines. Number 4. Dimmable Candle Warmer Lamp. The warmer lamp melts candle wax using halogen bulb heat rather than flame, measuring 7.1 by 7.1 by 12.5 inches. Built-in timer function enables automatic shutoff, preventing overheating and wax waste. Translucent glass base with GU10 bulb compatibility includes 2 replacement bulbs. Flameless operation eliminates fire hazards while maximizing candle fragrance distribution. Dimmable feature controls heat intensity and ambient lighting simultaneously. Performance extends candle lifespan by melting rather than burning wax. Fragrance throw intensifies compared to traditional burning as heated wax releases scent compounds more efficiently. Timer settings accommodate different usage durations, from quick sessions to extended melting. Dimming capability adjusts both light output and heat generation, enabling customization. Number 5. Aurastone Rechargeable Hand Warmer. The Aurastone warmer heats to 42 degrees Celsius, 108 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 minutes of activation, using aluminum construction measuring 60 by 60 by 22 millimeters. Double-sided heating surfaces maximize hand contact area for efficient warmth transfer. Battery provides 3 to 4 hours continuous heating on full charge. Polygon design creates elegant aesthetic, differentiating from standard rectangular warmers. Compact dimensions and lightweight construction suit pocket carrying. Heating performance reaches target temperature quickly, though maximum heat feels moderate compared to higher-powered alternatives. Double-sided warming enables simultaneous heating of both hand surfaces when held properly. The 3 to 4 hour runtime handles most outdoor activities, though extended cold exposure requires backup power or additional units. Aluminum construction conducts heat evenly across surfaces without localized hotspots.